Hello students, how are you? I hope so all of you are fine, okay? And you are watching channel Exam Track and I am Asha Shahu, okay? Today in this video I am going to explain mechanism of urine formation, okay? How urine formation occur, okay? In nephron, okay? And nephron already we have studied in the previous video, okay? Nephron is the structural and functional unit of kidney. Okay, there are millions of nephron present in each kidney. We have a pair of kidney. Okay, so now concentrate here. Okay, there are three steps involved. Okay, in urine formation mechanism. What are three steps? First is glomerular filtration. Okay, glomerular filtration. It is also known as ultrafiltration. And second step is what? That is tubular reabsorption. Okay, and third step is tubular secretion. Okay, I will write because okay, next okay, when I will drop this one, then I will write. Okay, so first step is glomerular filtration. Okay, so what is the meaning of glomerular filtration? Filtration, as its name denotes, filter. Okay, we have to filter, okay, the things whatever present in the blood. Okay, so glomerular filtration, in this blood flows with a pressure. Blood flows under the glomerulus with a pressure due to narrowness of the efferent arterioles. Okay, now all of you see in this diagram, you can understand with the help of diagram. Here there are two type of arterioles. Okay, I told you arteriole is what? It is a branch of arteries. Okay, subdivision of artery. So afferent arteriole, it through which blood enters. Okay, here. Okay, in the blood capillaries. Okay, so it is a you can see it is a broader in size. Okay, and it is narrower in diameter. Okay, efferent arteriole. So due to narrowness of the efferent arteriole, here blood accumulates. Okay, and blood flows under pressure. Okay, and due to pressure, here filtration occur. See, you can see by arrow I am showing you. Here filtration occur, and after filtration the filtrate, glomerular filtrate, will enter into the Bowman's capsule. Okay, here they will enter in Bowman's capsule. Bowman's capsule is what? It is a cup-shaped structure. Okay, double wall structure. Okay, so it is given here, all of you see, all small volume solutes. Okay, during ultrafiltration, all small volume solutes like glucose, amino acid, salts, ions, vitamins, hormones, okay, urea, uric acid, whatever is there. Okay, so all these are filtered. Okay, filtered, and these are present in the filtrate. Okay, because these are small volume, so this will pass with the what? That is the tubular volume. Okay, tubular fluid. So this is known as nephric filtrate. So this is very important. Nephric filtrate, 125 ml per minute. Per minute, how much ml produced? It is 125 ml per minute. Nephric filtrate produced. It is formed. Okay. And if you say in a day, per day 180 liters per day it produced. Okay, so this is known as nephric filtrate. Okay, why? Because it has it has formed after filtration, ultrafiltration. That's why name given nephric filtrate or glomerular filtrate, also known as glomerular filtrate. Clear? I think no doubt here. Okay, now second step is tubular reabsorption. Okay, so whatever the filtrate here passing through this tubular area from tubular portion, it has to absorb. Okay, it has to absorb. Why? Because in this filtrate, nephric filtrate, already it is mentioned here, the useful substances also present like glucose, amino acid, urea, uric acid. Okay, so it's reabsorption is very important, very necessary. So how reabsorption occur? This is the first portion of nephron. This is known as PCT. Last video I told you proximal convoluted tubule. Okay, So PCT, I written here PCT, what type of reabsorption occur? Okay, mostly 70 to 80% reabsorption occur through this area. Okay, in this area 70 to 80% of reabsorption of what? Nephric filtrate. Okay, reabsorption, whatever presence of glucose, amino acid, vitamins, hormones, ions. So it's a reabsorption occur in PCT area. So it is written here 70 to 80% reabsorption of glucose, amino acid, NaCl, sodium chloride, potassium chloride, and vitamins and water. Okay, these all reabsorbed in PCT area. Okay, 70 to 80%. Okay, and remaining reabsorption occur in loop of Hanel. Okay, loop of Hanel and DCT region also, and collecting duct. Okay, so it is for your memory point of view, I have written LOH, NaCl, sodium chloride, and water reabsorption occur in LOH. Okay, loop of Hanel. Okay, and one important thing all of you student mark down, LOH emerged in hyperosmotic interstitial fluid. Okay, hyperosmotic interstitial fluid. What is the meaning of hyperosmotic? Hyperosmotic, it means having the what? Concentration more. Okay, salt concentration more. Okay, water will be less here. Okay, in this area water will be less. So water tends to move outside from loop of Hanel to other side, because loop of Hanel here, it contains what? Nephric filtrate is present here. Okay, so it tends to move outside what? Water, because here oxoosmosis occur. Okay, here there will be exoosmosis. Okay, and due to exoosmosis 10% of water will emerge outside. Okay, so it will contribute in such manner concentrated urine. Okay, it is very important fact. So all of you student mark down LOH. It is immersed in a hyperosmotic interstitial fluid, and we know hyperosmotic, there is a less water. Okay, so water tends to move from LOH to outside the surrounding hyperosmotic what condition. So it will leads to exoosmosis. Okay. So now all of you see, and LOH, NaCl, sodium chloride also, okay, reabsorb, okay, in this area, and H2O. Okay, now DCT region, distal chondrite tubule. Okay, in this region, okay, NaCl and H2O reabsorption occur. Okay, DCT this part over here. Okay, DCT is this part. Okay, and here reabsorption of NaCl and H2O. Okay, and collecting duct, again H2O reabsorption occur. Okay, and one important thing, collecting duct, in that ADH hormone act. Okay, what is the importance of ADH hormone? Antidiuretic hormone. It is also known as vasopressin. Okay, it releases when concentrated urine is to be excreted. Okay, concentrated urine. Suppose I am giving example, a person drinking a lot of water. In that case, this hormone will not secrete. Okay, in that person. Okay, why? Because there is enough water. Okay, but it is secreted in those person where concentrated urine is to be excreted. Okay, so ADH is control the, it make the urine more concentrated, because it under influence of this, it reabsorb reabsorption occur of water more. Okay, so ADH importance is this one. Okay, and if there is a deficiency of ADH hormone, if ADH hormone secretion is not well regulated in our body, then it causes one disease that is known as diabetes insipidus. That is diabetes insipidus. Okay, so due to deficiency of ADH hormone, one disease caused, that is known as diabetes insipidus. Such type of person will frequently feel urination, okay, at a frequent interval of time, and more excessive and more diluted urine excreted in such a such type of person. Okay, so this is deficiency of ADH hormone. Okay, so now I think all of you have understood. Okay, this one. Okay, and maximum reabsorption. Okay, what where occur in PCT area, 70 to 80% reabsorption occur in the what PCT area. Okay, of course reabsorption occur in all part of nephron. Okay, all region of nephron, but maximum reabsorption occur in PCT area, 70 to 80%. Okay, in LOH also reabsorption occur, NaCl and H2O by okay, peritubular capillaries. Okay, you can see here blood vessels. These are the blood capillaries network. Okay, it is present almost all part of the nephron. It is surrounded by nephron is surrounded by these blood capillaries, network of blood capillaries. Okay, you can see here these are the network of blood capillaries. So in this blood capillaries, reabsorption occur in a different regions of nephron. Okay, in this blood capillaries. Okay, and how? Okay, tubular secretion occur. Okay, we have to study. Okay. Now students, this is the third step of urine formation mechanism. Okay, third step. This is tubular secretion. Okay, so what is tubular secretion, why it is important, these things are very important. Okay, so if we see the second step of urine formation mechanism, in that is for tubular reabsorption. Okay, so tubular reabsorption by whom? By the blood capillaries that is surrounded by the nephron areas. Okay, that is present in the nephron area. Okay, these nephron areas, all part of nephron, it is surrounded by blood capillaries. You can see these are the peritubular capillaries present in almost all part of the nephron, PCT, the loop of Hanel, DLOH, descending and ascending loop of Hanel, then DCT area, then collecting duct. Okay, so these all part, okay, in all part it is present. Okay, blood capillaries, and this blood capillaries reabsorb, okay, useful substances that is present in the nephric filtrate, that is the urinary tubular secretion. Okay, that is present in the urinary tubular secretion. Okay, so each and every part, okay, that is surrounded by the blood capillaries, each and every part of nephron. Okay, and this blood capillaries reabsorb useful substances. Okay, so there may be some some chances, okay, in that blood capillaries have reabsorbed some waste product also along with the useful substances. Okay, so that is very important. Its removal, its outgoing is very important. Okay, so how they will remove this waste product that has taken during reabsorption process. Okay, so that's removal is very important. So through tubular secretion, okay, they will secrete their waste product that has been taken, okay, during reabsorption process. Okay, so then now what is tubular secretion? Okay, it is active secretion of a waste product by the blood capillaries. Okay, it is the active secretion of waste product by the blood capillaries. Okay, blood capillaries into the urinary tubule. Okay, again they will return back that waste product that has been collected during reabsorption process into the urinary tubule for the further propagation, okay, as a urine. Okay, so very important. So why important? It ensure what? It ensure the removal of all waste products. It ensure the removal of all waste products, okay, by the blood. Means it is a process by which we can say there is no impurities present in blood. Okay, that is a removal of all type of waste. Okay, removal of all type of waste product by the blood, like urea, uric acid, creatinine. These are the waste product. Its removal is very important. Okay. So that's why tubular secretion is very important. Okay, its removal is very important. So again it has come back, okay, in the tubular, okay, urinary tubule. Okay, now I hope so all of you have okay understood, okay, this thing. Okay, now micturition. What is micturition? I hope so you can understand. Okay, I hope so you can understand. Now micturition. Okay, it is, what is micturition? It is the act of removal of urine through urethra. Okay, it is a process through removal, okay, of removal of urine from our body, okay, to outside. Simple. Okay, this is known as micturition. Okay, and only, do you know, only 1.5 average, okay, average urination in a healthy person is what, 1.5 to 1.8 liter in a day, per day. Okay, but do you know nephric filtrate, how much it has prepared? Yeah, during ultrafiltration, after ultrafiltration, 180 liters per day, 180 liters. So 180 liters per day it has prepared, it has formed, it has produced, but only there is a output of 1.5 to 1.8 liter. So where other nephric filtrate are? Okay, so this is very important thing, due to reabsorption process, okay, in a various part of nephron, reabsorption process occur, and that leads to the more concentrated urine, that is 1.5 to 1.8 liters in a day. Okay, that's it. Okay, so this is very important thing. Okay, production of 180 liters but removal of only 1.5 to 1.8 liter. Okay, is very important thing. Now urine composition. Okay, this is very important. What now? Urine composition. Okay, all of you can see what type of substances present in a urine. Okay, so almost, okay, 96%, okay, almost water is there, as we know. Okay, so 96% water approximately it is present in a what, urine, 96%. Okay, and apart from that 2.5% organic substances and 1.5% inorganic substances. In organic substances, what type of substances are there? Urea, uric acid, okay, creatinine, these all are the organic substances. And in case of inorganic substances, the lot of ions, okay, like sodium chloride, potassium chloride, okay, these are the substances inorganic is present in a urine. Okay, so urine composition is very important for examination also. Okay, and do you know which type of pigment is present that imparts color, pale yellow color or amber color to the urine? Okay, do you know this is urochrome? This is very important. Okay, term urochrome is important for 1 mark question in examination. Okay, urochrome, this is a pigment that imparts color, pale yellow color to urine. I hope so you can understand. Okay, and if any doubt, queries, then you please send questions in a comment box. Okay, I will solve them. Okay, and please like, subscribe this channel. Thank you, take care, goodbye.